Today I'm going to take you through the heirloom carrier from Ergobaby. So what we want to do to start off with is feed your carrier through this section here, and that will create it for newborn mode. The next thing we're going to do is pop your waistband on, and then your lumbar support goes on your back. You do actually have a little zip on your lumbar support where you can store items as well. So if you are out and about and you just need to store anything in there, then you can do. So we're just going to tighten that up, make it nice and secure. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pop baby inside the carrier. So one bonus about buying the heirloom is the fact it's sustainable. So the heirloom carrier is actually made up of 87% of recycled materials and 26 plastic bottles including lids. So that's an amazing, obviously, part of the carrier, and that's why you do pay that little bit extra. So it's £219.90 and it's exclusive to Direct4baby. So the stock is limited, so what I would say is get down to the Aintree or Burscough store, or alternatively order it online and you will not be disappointed. So the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to pop the baby inside the carrier. So baby to yourself, legs either side, hands on your chest, bring the carrier up around the baby, pop one strap and then the other, and then just so you guys can see, I'm actually just going to move my hair out of the way and then we're just going to do that back clip up, tie it across. When your hands are above your head, never worry that baby's going to go anywhere, your arms are nice and secure. So that's it, that's the heirloom carrier, and the fit is really lovely and gorgeous. Also modelled off a night trainer, so you know, the fact it's got the technical knit on the carrier just makes it that little bit extra and a little bit more premium.